Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tutorialify. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to trim a video in Canva. To trim a video in Canva, first of all, open your Canva application on your mobile device and then make sure to log into your account. From the home section of Canva, go ahead and create a new design by selecting a video in it. Or you can also go ahead and open up a recent design where you have already added a video. I'm gonna open up a recent design of mine. Once you have the video in the preview section, select the video and then a menu pop-up will appear at the bottom of the screen. In order to trim the video, look for the scissor icon and tap on it. You will then be able to see two little handles at the beginning and at the end of the video. You can drag these handles left or right to select the start and the end points from your video. The handle on the left-hand side will select the start point, whereas the handle in the left-hand side will select the end point of your video. Only select the part you want to include inside your video, and after you do that, you can save the changes. And that is how you can easily trim a video in Canva. If you are a pro subscriber for Canva, you can use the auto trim or highlights option available at the bottom as well. So that is how you easily do it. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Tutorialify for more Canva tips and tricks. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.